Hello, welcome to Easy English Journey. Today I will tell you a simple story. This story is about my first time visiting the zoo. Please relax and listen carefully. Today is a special day for me. I am visiting the zoo for the first time. I wake up early in the morning. I feel excited. I cannot wait to go. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed quickly. My family is ready. We eat breakfast together. I drink a glass of milk. I eat some bread. My bag is small. Inside my bag, I have water and snacks. We leave the house. The weather is nice. The sky is clear and blue. We take a bus to the zoo. The bus ride is fun. I look out of the window. I see trees and buildings. My heart feels happy. After some time, we arrive at the zoo. The zoo is very big. I see the main gate. There are many people. I hear children laughing. I hear birds singing. We buy tickets. We walk inside. Wow! I see so many animals. This place is amazing. First, we see the elephants. They are very big. One elephant is eating leaves. Another elephant is walking slowly. I feel surprised. Next, we see the giraffes. They are very tall. Their necks are long. They are eating from high trees. I smile and point at them. Then, we walk to see the lions. They look strong. One lion is sleeping. Another lion is walking around. I feel a little scared, but very curious. After that, we see the monkeys. They are funny. They jump and play. They make loud sounds. I laugh a lot. We also see zebras. They have black and white stripes. They look beautiful. I take many pictures. It is time for a short break. We sit on a bench. I drink some water. I eat my snack. I feel happy and relaxed. After the break, we see the birds. They are colorful. Some birds are flying, some birds are singing. The sounds are soft and nice. Next, we visit the reptile house. I see snakes and turtles. Some animals move slowly. Some animals are very quiet. It is interesting. Soon, it is lunchtime. We eat food near the zoo cafe. The food smells good. I feel hungry. After eating, I feel full and happy. In the afternoon, we walk around again. There are still many animals to see. I feel tired, but I am still excited. Before leaving, I visit the gift shop. I buy a small toy lion. It is cute. I want to remember this day. Now it is time to go home. I feel tired, but very happy. Today is a great day. On the way home, I think about the animals. I think about the elephants, the monkeys, and the lions. My first time visiting the zoo is amazing. I will never forget it. Thank you for listening. This is the end of today's story. See you next time on Easy English Journey.